While dangerous acids have been safely used in industrial applications for many years, specifying proper pressure instrumentation for these locations requires unique expertise. Ashcroft understands the dangers of acid leaks. That is why they developed the Acid Leak Detection Assembly. The Ashcroft Acid Leak Detection (ALD) assembly provides multiple layers of safety when dealing with acid media. The ALD product combines a pressure gauge and a diaphragm seal into a single assembly, welded together at the socket. The assembly is gauge welded to seal standard. The diaphragm seal, gauge socket, and portions of the gauge case are coated with a yellow acid detection material that turns red when exposed to leaking acid with a pH less than or equal to 3.0. The lower portion of the gauge is also coated with ALD to indicate any leakage in the bored-on tube or welded joints of the gauge system. For more information about the Ashcroft ALD system, contact Mead O'Brien. Call them at 800-892-2769 or visit their website at www.meadobrien.com.